Tired of dead batteries? Let's install a priority start. Do you also know somebody who leaves their lights on and ends up killing their battery? Well, this is the solution for you. This install is pretty straightforward. You basically attach the positive battery cable to the priority start, then connect the positive cable out of the priority start to the positive terminal on your battery. Connect the negative lead off the priority start to a small tap you'll add to the negative battery terminal, and you're protected. When working with electrical, always start by removing the negative terminal. This will prevent any shorts. There is an important note in the installation manual. After the priority start disconnects, you need to wait at least a minute before reconnection, or I guess you can damage it somehow. Once you found a location for your priority start, double check that all the existing connections will reach. Then connect the existing positive cable from the car to the top of the priority start. During the fit up, I realized that the existing battery cable was too big and I need a shim in order for the cable to actually fit on the priority start. At some point you want to attach the rubber strap that's used to secure the device to the battery. I'm doing it now. Next, connect the positive cable that's coming out of the priority start to the top of the battery positive terminal. And ironically, the battery cable off of the priority start was too small, and I actually had to open it up to get it to fit on the battery post. Now we'll connect the included ground cable from the priority start to the negative terminal in the battery. There's a small metal U-clip that's included with the kit. This will attach to the negative terminal and will ultimately be where you'll connect the priority start ground wire. If you've got ideas for other videos you'd like to see, please leave a comment below. And like and subscribe to stay updated when we upload new videos. Quick shout out to KC Tool. Thanks for hooking us up with a discount on shop tools. Consider taking the money you've saved on this DIY maintenance and picking up some quality German tools from these guys. Securing loose wires and verify that the priority start is working. There's a small LED on the front of securing loose wires and verify that the priority start is working. There's a small LED on the front of the device. It's kind of hard to see during the day and it's in a weird location, but if you look really closely you can see it. I hope your car starts when it needs to, and I'll see you next time.